50 miles to the north, Simon, Justin, and Anna are on the upper edge of the storm outside Carroll, Iowa.
This thing's definitely starting to bow, and it's coming right for us.
Just like yesterday, this storm is turning into a massive bow echo, and the kids have nowhere to hide.
Yeah, that's that little concave region just north of the bow echo. Yeah, it's all this rain cooled air, and it just punches out the middle of the storm. And that leading edge of that bow is just really, really high winds. What kind of person is really that normal that they leave their house and spend money and time, driving hundreds of, if not thousands of miles to see a tornado,
Yeah, we really are.
Look at this thing.
It's a beast.
We're basically going to park in front of this tornado. It's going to plow into us.
Nice.
The one we're going through right now. Just got a tornado warning on it.
The one that we're underneath right now?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
There we go. Here's a good place to view this thing. Look at this thing.
Oh, what a monster, dude. Anna, you better run.
Okay, let me out.
This thing is going to pound us hardcore. Look at this thing punching out. I don't know if Anna's going to be able to get back here in time. There we go. Look at this. That's inflow, dude. That's inflow. Look at this rotation, dude. That's all inflow coming out. Whoa! Look at this. Good. Let's back up just a tad. Yeah. Get in. Come on. Get in. Hurry. Whoa. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, my God.
Now this is a bow echo. Look at this sign.
I can't believe you came back in. I just figured you stayed and
I think I actually stayed for my birthday for a second.
Oh, great. Oh, hey, this wing us. Wing us right here. Looking at one monster bow echo right now plowing through the city. All the trees are bending, trying to sway. Tornado sirens are going off.
oh my God.
I see it, dude.
Coming up next,
You got a flat tire. Executive decision. We're just going to take this. Stay back here and get closer.